Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I've got Birchbox, and it says You Delight, and it has my name.
And we're filming videos back to back. We don't know what order we're gonna upload them.
And it's super late at night because we both work, and she gets off pretty early. I don't. So we film really late at night, and then when we should be sleeping. So if we ever get wacky, that is why. I'm
trying not to yawn.
Ripping this thing open. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I'm just gonna pull it out because that's what it looks like. It's really cute.
At least it's pink on
cute.
the bottom.
It's cute.
I mean, and
there's a little like card. It says this is the beginning of the new Birchbox experience. That's why they're charging more, and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best of the best. So like it, hate it, we want to know. Text us. Don't want to be texted. Interesting. That's different. And then it shows on the other side the products. I know this one I used to get and I liked it. Can you hold that for me, please? Because you do get an option sometimes as long as you like email it in on time. But see, now I don't have time to do that. So like if they gave me an option of what to get, I would just be like, eh. So that's kind of bad for me. It says, as a small thanks for being a subscriber, treat yourself to $15 off your next $60 shop order. Use code SAVE15. Just off Birchbox. Okay, well, I used to buy stuff from them. It's been a while.
So we were just discussing because we filmed the Boxy Charm already, and I was like, they I think increased their price because I think it used to be 21 something. Now it's like the exact same price as Glossy Box at like $22.63, I think it is. And then my Yes Oh Yes box also has increased the price, it seems. So
we're doing back-to-back videos, I think we mentioned, but I also am not wearing makeup, so if I look red, that's why. This is a Vasanti's Brighten Up Exfoliator. And it's funny because, see, I'm red without exfoliating. Like, I get really just, I have red skin.
I can't imagine what I would do if I did it.
Either give to my sister or put it in a giveaway because I just don't use exfoliators as much as she does or as much as other people might. This is High Performance Hair Care Jus de Plomb, I don't know, smoothing balm. If it's for hair, distribute evenly, I'll probably like use this because that's okay because my hair's like half brushed right now. So I like using like some products as long as they don't have too much dimethicone or something in them. This is Heavy Petal Color for, I don't know how to pronounce Loc or Lock. What is on it? There's like there's like stuff like static cling to it. I almost want to put this in a giveaway too. If it's a cream, it looks like a cream eyeshadow. Probably says on my little card. One and done shadow stick. Yeah, I don't really use cream ones. So, sorry, there's like stuff stuck to it right now. It's like it's moving on its own. So that'll probably go like in a giveaway unless my sister or someone wants it. This is Kula's organic BB cream. Hopefully it's not like in white because I keep getting ones that are so pale. It's SPF 30. So this I'm excited to use. It's tiny, but I'm wanting to try every little one I can. And then, sorry. I wonder how many samples they've given. 6? It'll be 6. Skinny Dip, Wander Beauty, what is this? Lip Retreat. I really should read what these do. But if it's just like a, something for lips.
Like an oil maybe?
Yeah, like something.
Your lips or something?
Yeah, so I mean usually I don't like lip glosses and stuff, but if it's actually like for a health thing, like right when you got a shower you can put it on, then I would use it. And this is 100% pure green tea, EGCG. Concentrate cream, potent antioxidants. I don't know what this is, but
that says it's a moisturizer.
Oh, good, because I'm almost
and
out of my moisturizers.
The Lip Retreat oil says it's packed with a blend of oils that firm and moisturize your lips. This pinky beige shade glides on to give you all day hydration, bold color payoff, and subtle shine. That's what the lip one does.
But yeah, that was it for this. I mean, all good products. I mean, I know they're all kind of tiny compared to.
And they're increasing the price from 10 to 12 now, right?
I think so. Good things. It's just, as I said, there's a couple I definitely won't be, using, and I don't think she would use like the shadow stick either. I might tend to use them, and they just crease. So, maybe for other people, or I don't know if for dry skin you would think they would work better, but I don't know. For some reason, not for me. But that was it in this box. Yeah, it's around 12 now, but of course I paid for a year, so I got it probably at a discounted price. But if it was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers, and we'll catch you in our next video. Take care. Bye.